Dubai chocolate bar is going viral right now, and you've probably seen it everywhere. I know I'm a bit late to the trend, but I'm here to show you my version and to teach you how to make the best Dubai chocolate bars. First, we are going to start with the decoration. One of the coolest things about Dubai chocolate bar is those colorful splashes on top, which make it look so unique. For this, I'll melt some white chocolate and mix it with gel food coloring. This step is optional, but this is what makes the signature Dubai chocolate look. You can use any color that you like. Now let's work on the filling, which is what makes this recipe so special and unique. We are going to start by chopping the Kataifi into small pieces. Kataifi is a type of shredded pastry that adds an amazing crunchy texture to our bars. You want to make sure the pieces are small enough so they mix well with the rest of the ingredients later. Heat few tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium frying pan over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, add the chopped Kataifi to the pan. Stirring constantly to toast the Kataifi evenly. You want to toast it until it turns beautiful golden brown. This usually takes a few minutes, so keep an eye on it and stir frequently to avoid burning. You want your Kataifi to be crispy and light golden brown, not dark brown, so stay close to the pan and keep it moving. Once the Kataifi is golden and crispy, transfer it to a bowl. Add in pistachio paste and tahini. Stir until mixture is smooth and well combined. Now, you always ask me in the comments, David, what is pistachio paste? Pistachio paste is made with just one ingredient. You guessed it right, pistachios. So stop asking me, do I need to add oil? No, there is enough natural fat in pistachios. Do I need to add sugar? No. And the most common question, why isn't my pistachio paste as smooth as yours? Buy a more powerful blender. You need a good power to get that silky texture. For more info on this, check out my blog, link in the description. If the mixture feels too thick, you can add a little bit more tahini to loosen it up, but it still should hold its shape when you press it down to the mold later. Now we are moving to the next step, tempering the chocolate. If this tempering process sounds like a lot of work, you can skip it and just melt the chocolate, but remember, untempered chocolate will taste great, but won't have that glossy finish or the same snap when you bite into it. Tempering ensures that the chocolate sets properly, has a shiny look and doesn't melt easily in your hands. Place your chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Divide the chocolate into 1/3 and 2/3. You can use dark chocolate or milk chocolate. Today I'm using milk chocolate. Set the bowl over a double boiler, which is a pot with simmering water. Make sure the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water. Stir continuously as the chocolate melts. Once the chocolate is completely melted, use the thermometer to check the temperature. For milk chocolate, you want to reach about 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. When it reaches the right temperature, remove the bowl from the heat. Now, add the remaining 1/3 of the chocolate. Stir constantly as the chocolate cools down and melts into already melted chocolate. This process called seeding, and it's what helps bring chocolate down to the right working temperature, which for milk chocolate is around 26 to 27 degrees Celsius, slightly higher for dark chocolate. Make sure to stir continuously, as this keeps the chocolate smooth and helps it cool evenly. As soon as the temperature cools to 26 to 27 degrees Celsius, return the bowl to the double boil and reheat, stirring gently until the chocolate reaches 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. When the chocolate is smooth and shiny, it's ready to be used. To make your life easier, I will add a chart with all the temperatures on the screen. If you want to learn more about tempering, make sure to read my blog post. The link is in the description. Now it's time to put everything together and assemble our Dubai chocolate bars. First, take chocolate molds and spoon the tempered chocolate inside, making sure to coat the entire inside surface. Tilt the mold around or use a small brush to help spread the chocolate. Make sure the coating is thick enough so it doesn't break when you unmold the bars. If needed, you can add a second layer after the first one sets. Once the molds are coated, place them in the fridge for a few minutes or until the chocolate is firm. Next, add the Kataifi and pistachio filling. Spoon it into the molds, pressing down gently so it fills the entire space, but don't pack it too tightly. You want the filling to hold together, but still be a bit airy. Finally, pour the remaining tempered chocolate over the filling to seal the bars. Smooth it out with a spatula or with the back of a spoon, making sure it covers the filling completely. Pop the molds back to the fridge for another few minutes. Remove the bars from the molds. I will add some information about the perfect mold for chocolate bars in the description, so make sure to check it out. Okay, something happened to the white chocolate, as you can see, and didn't release smoothly. I'm not sure why this happened, but my guess is that the white chocolate wasn't tempered. Usually when something doesn't work for me, I reshoot the video. However, in this case, I think it's not that bad. If you know why this happened, please let me know in the comments. And you are done! The perfect Dubai chocolate bars. Wow!